imX is not a traditional trade show. That doesn't mean there isn't new and innovative machinery available on the floor to see actually cutting metal. I'm with Bill Howard, Product Line Manager of Makino Inc. And Bill, you're going to show me something in this PS95 machine. Tell me about it.
PS95, this is the latest production-oriented vertical from Makino. We think we're changing the paradigm of vertical machining. The unique features of this machine, obviously the spindle is one of the key features because it has a very unique blend of power, speed, and torque. It's a 33.5 horsepower spindle, so there's a lot of power there. The torque's 130 foot-pounds of torque, so it's very torquey for very tough hard metal applications.
This is not that big a machine for that kind of power.
No, it's kind of your traditional 40 by 20 30 tool magazine. The other thing is it's 14,000 RPM, so it has the high RPM to go after, you know, the aluminums, the brasses, the non-ferrous materials, that kind of thing. So it's very flexible. A typical job shop machine. One day you don't know whether you're cutting steel or whether you're cutting cast iron or aluminum or plastics, brass. So very wide-ranging machine. 30 tool magazine to support it. It also comes complete with wash coolant, flood coolant, through spindle coolant on a machine of this size is incorporated into the base price of the machine, as well as lift up chip conveyor. So it's a complete production package ready to put on your floor, start producing parts day one, and provide you with years of continuous service. The other thing is this machine incorporates into it a technology, core cooling of the ball screws. We've actually passed chilled lubricant through the ball screws to maintain very tight temperatures on X, Y, and Z. So again, it enhances the accuracy over the life of the machine. Very quick to get to temperature, stays at temperature for very long periods of time, very accurate parts. And it also extends the life of the bearings, the ball screws, major components of the machine.
Bill, productivity-wise, compared to the previous generation machine, what kind of improvement are we looking at for typical, say, roughing to
well,
machine
there's
operation?
a couple areas. Number one would be the non-cut times, the rapid traverse, very quick ack and deck rates, very rapid rates. But the key is the spindle. Depends on who you look at, but if you take the top major vertical machining centers, this has anywhere from 30 to 60% more horsepower. It's got from 40 to 50, 60% more torque. And most machines of this size limit out at 8,000, 10,000 RPM. This has 12,000. So consequently, you could see 30, 40, 50% productivity improvements basically utilizing the spindle and the ranginess and capability of this machine.
Bill, thank you for showing me the Makino PS95.
Very welcome. Thanks for talking by.